Breaking. Court dismisses Nnamdi Kanu's first application for bail. Abuja, the Federal High Court sitting in Abuja, dismissed a fresh application the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, Nnamdi Kanu, filed to be released on bail, pending determination of the treasonable felony charge against him. Kanu, who is currently facing 7-count charge, and in the application he filed through his team and lawyer led by Chief Mike Ozekome, senior advocate of Nigeria, equally challenged the revocation of the bail the court earlier granted to him. He specifically urged the court to set aside the order it made on March 28, 2019, which not only issued a bench warrant for his arrest, but also gave federal government the nod to try him in absentia. The IPOB leader told the court that contrary to federal government's allegation that he jumped bail, he said that he fled for his life after his hometown at Afaraku, Ibeku, in Umahia, Abia State, was invaded by soldiers, which he said led to the death of 28 persons. Contending that he was denied fair hearing before his bail was revoked, Kanu attached 8 exhibits that include photographs as well as an affidavit he deposed to from Israel before he fled from the country. Meanwhile, dismissing the bail request on Tuesday, trial Justice Binta Nyako said she was not satisfied with the reason the IPOB leader gave for his failure to appear in court for continuation of his trial. The trial judge noted that from record of the court, Kanu was represented by his lawyer on the day his bail was revoked. Likewise, his sureties. In fact, the sureties told the court that they did not know the whereabouts of the defendant and even applied to be discharged from the matter. Therefore, the defendant was not denied fair hearing. Besides, Justice Nyako held that though a court could vacate a previous order when confronted with a cogent and verifiable reason, in the instant case, I have not been given any, neither have I been given any reason to set aside the order. The present application amounts to an abuse of court process for attempting to litigate an issue already decided by the court. If the defendant is dissatisfied, he has the appeal to go to. This application is accordingly dismissed, Justice Nyako held. It will be recalled that the court held also on March 18 declined to release the embattled IPOB leader on bail. The court maintained that Kanu must explain the reason why he breached the previous bail that was given to him before he could enjoy another favorable discretion from it. Until the issue of the absence of the defendant for his trial, without the bail condition breached, is determined, the instant application of the defendant will bail at best be premature and it is refused. However, the defendant is at liberty to refile the application, Justice Nyako added. It means the appearance in court today was not granted bail based on those conditions mentioned above. How long will Kanu be in detention? Well, he is a great man, said someone. It is a big problem when the judiciary is under the control of the president. No more hope for the common man. Please apply for a change of a judge. You can see that this judge has been compromised, but we will see how it will end. The arrestor will soon be arrested. We are not surprised. Posterity has its own judgment. Even the judge will get her own share of nemesis for accepting to be a tool in the hands of the dictators. Yes, that is true. S-men at work against the ND Bush. I'm not surprised Edmund's government and president had already told us that it can't be granted bail. Justice Nyako is just there not as a judge but as a representative of Buhari and prosecutor at the same time. God is watching. Time will tell. Sequel to the earlier declaration by President Buhari that Nnamdi Kanu should not be granted bail. Today, reason being the same as Justice Binta stated is not very clear. It is not very clear that Buhari dictated the tune of the court decision in Nigeria. Zoom. Reply to Friday Fulani, Nigeria will be a history someday and forever. This is the way things are. Based on the judgment given today again, the judge said, based on the antecedent, he was granted bail and he jumped the bail. And because of that, she's not ready to set aside the judgment of him not being granted bail. What is your opinion on this? Kindly make it known. For how long will he remain in detention? The charges against him, they have not even started talking about it. All they are fighting for now is whether he should be granted bail or not. I think the charges before the court should be addressed to one way or the other. If it is a bail application, the way things are, he may not get it in no distant time. Why not face the case before the court instead of dragging this application, this bail application matter? Well, what is your opinion about this issue on ground with Kanu and the federal government? Kindly make your opinion known as you subscribe to my page. Thank you, good day, and God bless.